Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Hari. I'm a graphic designer and as well as I'm a graphic and website designing teacher. On my channel you can learn a lot of things. Like you can learn basic to advanced Photoshop, Illustrator and InDesign. And advanced WordPress website designing. Like you can design WooCommerce website, e-commerce website, vlogs, etc. on WordPress. And additionally, I will teach you programming languages like HTML5, CSS, PHP, and Java. Wait, you can also learn a lot of other things like you can learn AutoCAD. I will teach you basic to advanced AutoCAD 2D and as well as 3D. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe my channel and as well as click on the bell icon for getting the notification of my all videos. For stay connected with me, make sure you follow me on Instagram. My Instagram ID link is in the description below and you can follow me there. Thank you.